Hello everyone. I am Mrs. Shobha Nikam, working as an assistant professor in the Department of ENTC Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. In ENTC department, I handle responsibility for project coordination and R&D coordination. As we all know, to stop the spread of COVID-19, this year we have started online classes, and I'm very happy that the response from you students is very positive. Then, as a part of curriculum, I started asking for project titles, and then, like every year, I started getting calls and messages from students asking various questions about selection of projects, and hence I thought of addressing this topic. Dear students, see, your project is going to play a very important role in placements. You all are freshers, you don't have any experience to talk about. So, what you can showcase is your final year project. Your project should be an eye catcher for an interviewer. So, don't select traditional and simple project. Select something innovative. I'm very sure many of you must have started knocking on the doors of firms which can provide ready-made projects, right? I want to ask you all final year students, don't you trust yourself? What do you think? Why is this project included in your syllabus? Because our syllabus is designed as per Bloom's taxonomy, and in that last learning level is creating, and you are in final year of this degree program. Now it's time to apply your knowledge which you gained in the past 3 years in 30 subjects which you learned in this degree program, and you need to create something new, innovative. Okay, coming back to ready-made projects. Don't choose ready-made projects. I'd like to know what your students are afraid of. Failure? Grades? What exactly? See, we can't define success from grades, at least as per my perspective. It can be defined based on your knowledge, your skills. Successful people are not extraordinary, they do extraordinary things. If you are thinking that if my project won't work, I'll not get good grades. No, it won't happen. Your knowledge, your experiences will speak at the time of your project demo. Your guide can convince external examiner how hard you worked for this project. But before that, you convince your guide by working hard, by disciplined behavior, by punctuality. So just don't be afraid of failure or grades. I'll give you one example. Our ISRO's lunar mission, Chandrayaan 2. When Chandrayaan 2 was about to enter in Moon's orbit, many of us didn't sleep that night. We all were monitoring it on TV. And then, what happened? You all know. You all know the rest. Mission failed. And the reason is hard landing. And ISRO chairperson, Dr. K. Sivan sir, tears came in his eyes. Tell me, did you feel ashamed of ISRO people, our scientists? No, we didn't. Rather, we were proud of them, and now we respect them even more. Similarly, in your projects, you may fail in first attempt, but later on, you'll get desired results. So don't be afraid of failure. Also, don't run behind success. Work hard. Success will run behind you. You know this dialogue. It is from famous movie Three Idiots. And I can say your generation is very lucky. Huge amount of information is available on internet. If you search electronics product design, you can get information from selection of component to soldering to fabrication, packaging. You'll get everything. And at our college level, we have great teachers, and also we have great facilities. Like in ENTC department, we have PCB lab, we have R&D lab, we have IEEE sponsored agriculture lab. Texas Innovation Labs. These labs are not only to showcase, these labs are to use. So do use these labs. If you'll check our college website, you'll get list of major equipments available in every department. We have signed MOU with various industries. You can take benefit of it. In future, when you start working with industries, you may work on one particular module every time. You may do coding, same things again and again. You may not get chance to design your own product. Here, you are getting chance to implement entire product. Please don't miss this opportunity. Okay, coming back to your basic questions. So the first question was how many project partners are allowed? Maximum 3. But for rare cases, if project is very ambitious, if it is critical, we do allow 4 students. Then as we have multiple divisions in ENTC, the other question is can we form groups with other division students? Yes, you can. Rather, you can form group with students from other departments also. We do allow interdisciplinary projects. Rather, we promote interdisciplinary projects. What about sponsored projects? Yes, it's very good. But your guide must visit the company twice in a semester, and company must allow external examiner to come and conduct exam at their place. Or if you can move, the product design is movable, you must carry it to our college for exams. And the most important, selection of project topic, the domains. And for ENTC, the domains can be VLSI, embedded, robotics, automation, IoT, artificial intelligence, image processing, machine learning, signal processing, cloud computing, cryptography, and many more. Before choosing your topic, read research papers. Search research papers related to your topic. I'll upload one more video. In subsequent video, I'll show you how to read research papers. But do read research papers, check their future scope and you'll get your project topic. I believe my video on final year project selection tips must have given you the required ignition to begin with your project. All the very best. Happy project venturing.